Hello, this is How To Not To, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add vinegar to your washing laundry. So when to add it, how to add it, this is the video for you. And this vinegar, white vinegar, is very powerful method to get your laundry clean, and also cleans the washing machine itself. So you don't need that much vinegar, only about half a Vinegar is a very powerful chemical to getting your clothes clean, especially sheets, towels, etc. Well, anything basically. But you've got to know when and how to use it, so stick around to find out. So the first thing that the vinegar does is it removes any leftover alkaline film, which leaves your laundry, your clothes clean after the wash. Vinegar makes your towels bounce back into shape, as well as your clothes as well, and also leaves them smoother, also leaving your clothes softer, and also it tackles bad odour as well. So all in all, a very good chemical vinegar is to use on your laundry, if you know how to use it, that is. The next step is to get the machine going, and I'll show you how to the next steps. Yeah, so we're going to wash this on the cotton cycle at 40 degrees, and we're going to select 3 rinses, 1400 RPM. So how do we use the vinegar? Well, only in the rinse cycle, so never in the wash. So please remember that, only in the rinse cycle. So, and we're going to place this, or pour some of the vinegar directly into the conditioner compartment. And the reason why we don't put it into the main wash is because vinegar neutralises the detergent, peroxide and enzymes, making them less effective. So as I mentioned before, you only need a bit, depending on the load and the stains. If you've got tough stains, obviously you need a little bit more, so about half a cup I would recommend, or a quarter cup. Yeah, for routine washes, half a cup. So that's quarter of a cup, that's 60 ml for regular washes, and about half a cup for about 120 ml for heavier towels, etc. And you can use it in a weekly, or a couple of weeks, every couple of weeks I would say, to use vinegar in the rinse cycle. So let's begin the cotton cycle. I'm now going to add the vinegar to the final rinse. So I've added the vinegar to the final rinse, as you saw there, and we're going to check at the end of the video whether that's left my sheets, my towels clean and soft and smooth to the touch. Okay, let's get the laundry out the drum. They don't smell vinegary or anything like that. They smell very nice, very fresh. Yeah, very nice. So let's test the towels. Yeah, it's kept the texture, it's clean, and it's soft and smooth. So it has done a very good job overall. Very well done, vinaigrette. Okay, that's it for this video. If you found it useful, then please give it a like, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.